Let's learn Something About a Woman. It's choreographed by Ray Swartz. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Something About a Woman. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a cross-side sailor step. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the side. We're now going to do a cross-side quarter sailor step, crossing your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step, turning over our left shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, and step your left foot out to the side and slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do turning toe struts. So we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder. We're going to touch our right toe to the right side and then finish your half turn as you drop your right heel. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to repeat that. You're going to make that half turn over your left shoulder as you touch your left toe to the side, and as you drop your left heel, you're going to finish that half turn to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a right mambo step, rocking forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, and step back with your right. We're now going to do a big step back with our left, drag our right toe into our left, and then touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished that cross-side sailor step. So weight is on your left. You're doing your turning toe strut. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a step block with a hitch. So you're going to step your right foot forward. You're going to bring your left foot in and behind your right. And as you do that, you're going to have your right knee come forward. We're now going to do a step block, step forward, stepping that right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then you're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our touch. You're going to do your step block with your hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to step your left foot next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. We're going to end this section by doing a botafongo. So you're going to cross your left over your right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, slightly pushing that hip up, and then recover onto your left foot. When you finish, you want your hips slightly angled to the left so that you can go into that cross-side sailor step. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle. You're going to step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross-side sailor. So it's cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, half toe strut, mambo, step, back drag with a touch, step, lock and hitch, lock, step, forward, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, side together, cross, quarter back, side shuffle, botafongo. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3, so it will be the first time that we're doing the back wall or our 6 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance up until you do that back drag with a touch, and then you're going to restart the dance. So let's dance up to that portion, and then we'll talk about how to angle your body to make it feel more fluid to go into that restart. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross side sailor. Cross side sailor step, cross side quarter sailor step. Now your half hip toe strut, half toe strut, mambo step back drag with a touch. Right here you're going to restart the dance. What's going to feel helpful is when you do this back drag on that restart is that you want to slightly angle your hips to the left so that you can go into that crossover step, and it will make it feel a little more fluid. That is then wall 4. Wall 4 is where your tag is going to happen. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, and then you will add on the tag. So let's dance those 32 counts so that you know where it will be facing. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross-side sailor. We would have just came out of that touch. Facing 3 o'clock for our restart. Go into wall 4 with your cross-side sailor step, cross-side quarter sailor step. Now your half toe strut, mambo step back drag with a touch. Step, lock, hitch, lock, step forward, quarter, pivot, crossing shuffle. Now your side together, cross quarter back, side shuffle, and your bout go. Right here is where you're going to do your tag. The tag is nice and easy. It's only 4 counts. You're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to sway our hips right, left, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. However, to help make that feel more fluid, when you do your sway to the left, allow your hip to be open to the left instead of kind of having it stay at the wall so that you can go into that cross-side sailor step. So everything that's going to happen is going to happen on that 6 o'clock wall. So when you do that restart, it will be a 6 o'clock facing wall, restart facing 3 o'clock. When you do your tag, it will be a 3 o'clock wall, and you will do that tag facing 6 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 5 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your cross side sailor. Cross side sailor step, cross side quarter sailor step. Now your toe strut turn, mambo step back drag with a touch. Step, lock, hitch, locking step forward, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Side together, cross quarter back, side shuffle, and your bout start over. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 16 counts. Cross side sailor step, cross side quarter sailor step. Now your half toe strut, mambo step back drag with a touch, angling that hips. Restart at the end of this wall. You're going to add on your tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Do your tag. Cross, side sway, right, left, start over, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, quarter sailor step. Now you're turning toe strut, mambo step, back drag with a touch. Step, lock with your hitch, lock, step forward, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle. Side together, cross quarter back, side shuffle, and your bout go. And that is the whole dance. Now, some styling that I like to do is when I'm doing those toe struts, I kind of like to bump my hips when I do it, so it ends up feeling more like 1 and 2. So when I'm doing my turning bumps, I kind of like add a little bit extra hips into them, and it kind of makes it feel a little more sassy and fit the music. So if you want to add some styling in, that would be a great thing to do. Also, the dance ends facing the side wall on your botafongo. What I like to do is I do that, and then I just turn a quarter if I would like to face 12 o'clock, or you can end just facing the side wall. That choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn something about a woman. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.